Happy New Year's, my fellow makeup loving YouTube friends. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice contour look using unique makeup products. I did a little pre-work by washing my face with the Pore Perfect cleanser and moisturized using the Renewing Day Cream. I also spritzed my face with the Rose Water toning spray. I prepared my eyes for the makeup with the Moodstruck Eye Primer, which helps glom the makeup onto your eyes. And I got my face ready with the Touch Glorious Facial Primer. To help my eyelashes grow nice and long, I have the Moodstruck Esteem Eyelash Serum. And we'll be starting off with the Organza Concealer for all life's issues all over my face. I prefer to use a mirror as kind of a palette, and I like to start by using a brush and just getting started by getting a nice good base layer of the product over my face. You can see this is sped up a little bit. This is to help try to keep you from being put to sleep during the video, as I know long makeup videos can get a little boring. So I'm trying to avoid that for you. So after you have a nice good base in there, you just rub it in a little bit with your finger. Fingertips and brush are good for this because you want it to be sort of natural looking. And now we're going to add the Organza foundation on top. And this is going to help it look a little more natural and add a nice base for the other work we're going to be doing on the contour later on in this video. So just patting all over the face, making it nice and even, blending it in with the concealer, blending it into the hairline, making a nice base for our concealer, or contour I should say. So just get it nice, blended in evenly. Make it look nice and flush with your natural color, your natural tone. And now we're going to start the contour. So in the contour, we are going to be creating shadows on our face. So we're going to be using Moodstruck Addiction palette number 4 with Arrogant, that light brown shade, as what we're going to be using to draw on those shadows. So we have a contour brush. We're just going to start by making a fishy face, fishy, and drawing on with the dark brown. It's going to look terrifying. Go ahead and keep going though. Trust me, it will turn out looking correct in the end. So, going to go with the fishy part of our cheekbones, and we're going to go on the sides of the nose. It's going to help make the nose look a little smaller. If it's not perfect, that's okay. We will be blending quite a bit later, and in the worst case scenario, it can be wiped off and try again. If you add a little bit to the bottoms and the sides of your nose, it's going to make the nose look a little smaller. We're going to add color to the temples of the eyes, making our face look a bit longer and more narrow. I always like to do a little bit on my sides too, so that I can make kind of the chubbier parts of my face look a little smaller. Looking good. And now we're going to add highlighter. This is in the color Benevolent. It's going to give a nice golden white shiny color. I like to apply it under my eyes as well in a V shape, since it helps with concealing some of the dark circles that are always under my eyes. You're just gonna highlight any areas that you want to look maybe a little bit bigger, a little bit more attention grabbing. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and blend. Blend, blend, and blend for quite a while here. Blending the dark brown into the cheekbones. And into the sides of the temples. Because you want to have this nice and evenly blended. You don't want it to look like you tripped and fell in a dirt pile. Because it can easily look like that if you don't get it in all the way. I've been told by friends and family when I did some sampler photos that it looked like I had fallen into a dirt patch. Yeah, you don't want that. So blend, blend, blend. Keep blending. If you're in doubt, blend some more. Blend the highlighter subtly into the other colors on your face. So you don't want to look like you fell on an art project either. And keep blending, and good. So now we're going to do the smoky eye. So we're going to start with a nice silvery color to do the smoky eye. And we're going to blend it into the eyelids. And blend it pretty heavily. Don't mind my boyfriend vaping and picking his nose in the background. Alright, and I'm going to go on pretty heavily and do a couple of coats. It's a very shiny color. Very pretty, and it serves as a beautiful base for the other parts of our smoky eye look here. So we're in Addiction Palette 4, same one that we were using before for the contour. We're going to add a darker silver to the corners and just kind of make a V with the corner. This is what we're going to use to build up the smoky eye. I always like to make it a smoky cat eye kind of a look myself. This is the Addiction palette for the Anniversary collection. And I have a nice dark silver in here. So you can see me drawing that same little V and basically going on the outlines of the middle silver color. And just build it up, keep building it up, and draw a line with your brush. I like to use an angled brush for this part. And you can see that that helps us get that smokier cat look. And then just blend it together, because you do want your makeup to all go nicely and look like it's all connected. This is the Moonstruck Precision Dip and Draw. It is an excellent eyeliner that's liquid. And very good at what it does. So, to get the cat's eye eyeliner, you want to hold your eyelid out in the corner and just draw a line as straight as you can. Every time you will notice one side goes on nicer than the other. It's okay, you can fill in the spaces. The next part, what we're doing too with our Splurge black eyeshadow, is actually adding some more smoke color to this look, but it's also going to help us fill in the parts of the eyeliner that may not have turned out perfect. So you just want to move it on. It's a very nice, smooth, creamy eyeliner. very pigmented, very dark. So a little dab will do you here. And we have the blush. Just a little tiny bit of this guy left. So you smile wide to get the apples of your cheeks. Color up those apples. You may feel silly smiling like a crazy person, but it works, trust me. We're going to blend, blend, blend. Now we're going to add some lip primer. We're not going to do the lips just yet, but you want to get the lip primer all nice and thick and tacky, and that'll help hold the color later on. So we have our Epic Moodstruck mascara. You want to get it on there nice and full, and you can see it wasn't getting all that much color. If you twist deep into the mascara, it will help you pick up more color. You don't want to pump it. That will cause bacteria to get into your mascara. It will also cause it not to be as smooth. Just as close and as full as you can. And don't forget to do the bottom lashes. They want a little bit of love too. And get it nice and full. Nice and full. You can see that I don't have the best eyebrows, so we're going to go back to the Addiction palette and use Brave to color them in so that they're a little more prevalent. And just follow your natural eyebrow, fill it in. I like to use an angled brush for this, as it does help follow the natural curves in the eyebrow better. And just wipe around the sides, blend out what falls that shouldn't be there. We're going to use Popular. That is the name of this lip liner, a nice smooth lip liner. And you just want to get the outline nice and full. And this is going to set us up for a really nice time with our lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to use is called Splash, and what that means, it's a line through Younique that is very smooth in its application. It's a hybrid between a liquid and a solid lipstick. Goes on like butter. Now to set it, we're going to use toilet paper. I know it sounds silly. I like to tear the ply in half. This step can be skipped if you want. It takes forever to get it to work right. This is a powder. Unfortunately, I do not have a Younique powder yet. You place your toilet paper over your lips and then pat on the color. And the reason we do this, you'll see, makes it where it's less likely to smudge everywhere. And we're going to just pat the rest down with the powder. Get it nice and set. This will help keep you from smudging later. And we're going to finish off with Behold Spray. Love this spray. It helps you set. Please like, share, subscribe for chances at amazing giveaways, and check out my Younique page as well as my Facebook business page. Thank you all for watching. Happy New Year's.